guys, and we're back. I have Aaron here today. Tyler and his buddy are right behind me, so.
Hello.
We're back on the river.
Okay, Ty, you don't need to stun on us.
Yeah, he always does that.
Oh.
Yeah, we're here today. I might actually flip it. Get out.
I need your insurance.
Give me your insurance right now.
Driver's license.
Well, hey guys, so I caught a fish.
Dude.
This doesn't look like a smallmouth.
I'm the person, I want to peep it.
He looked at me funny.
I must be your guys' role model right now. Because all of you guys are looking up to me. See what you did there, guy.
Nice little smallmouth.
Let me see that bastard doing. I've got a picture. I'll snap a Polaroid of you with the old Polaroid camera. Wow. We call them bronze backs, little footballs. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
No, thank you for that.
Thank you for...
You were fighting them like Yogi Stop.
Caught my first smallie of the day. See if Eric can catch one down there. Is your GoPro on over there? These bugs are gonna annoy.
Backpack on their fucking yak. Go on the back of my Dylan. Go on the back of mine. You over here, big sexy?
I'm coming. Coming, baby girl. Actually, you want to just throw it in the front?
Yeah.
Oh shit, bro. Alright, toss it.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit. Dude, these bugs are fucking annoying. Brush shit everywhere. Hey, down in the comments where that's from. Somebody gonna get it?
Oh, I got water in my bottle.
What TV show?
Oh! Yeah, my phone and stuff is in there, but the good thing I got it. Are they still in that baggie? My outrigger almost hit you.
You look like a vessel.
I am a vessel. I'm a unit.
I'm a fucking unit. Alright, we're gonna go down. Nothing but the finest. Hopefully I don't fucking hook myself. Aaron, you on a mission up there, bud?
He's on a fishing mission. Half, like, my finger. Haven't you ever seen that Flex Seal stuff?
Try hitting the river.
Yeah, I definitely should not be on that kayak. Oh, that's the fucking problem. There's no plug in it. No, there's a hole in the fucking stay.
That sounds important.
That's why you don't drag
Oh, typical me, always missing shit. Aaron.
Oh, I got that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Shaquille Oatmeal. I played with a Shaquille Oatmeal in Warzone.
Oh yeah, folks. So.
Banquet always
Oh,
brings.
Imagine if he would have brought, I would have shit my pants.
I would have shit your pants. Revive a fish. Give it some alcohol.
Give him some fucking banquet. Banquet saves lives.
Give. Damn.
Let's,
What's over there?
oh, he's trying.
Gave him some liquid courage.
What the fuck is this?
I want to hear it.
Oh, so. Yeah, fuck yeah, I did.
Oh, that's a dark smallie.
Ooh, come here, bitch.
Never heard the word dark and small in the same sentence.
Little guy.
What are you looking for?
Like,
Hooked him right in the fucking kisser.
you even know what they're called. I know that in mine. Well, I don't have their fall fishing. You gotta live in the
Sending
moment,
streaks.
Dude, I'm buzzing a little bit. What are the most streaks you guys have ever had?
I had 2 lace stripes in my drawers one time.
He's talking about snap scores.
Oh shit.
Snap streak.
Like the longest?
Yeah.
Here we are pulling up to the second waypoint. About halfway there to the spillway. So stop here, fish for a little bit, and we'll continue on our way down. Man, we're in this fucking chest mountain. I can only imagine what you girls fucking go through. Hard to breathe. Yes.
For real? No cat?
Oh, I guess you're right. You never.
You're long anymore. Where'd it go?
Here in a sec and show you guys my kayak. I meant to film that. Show you guys.
That's how I got up. So.
That was deep. Here's my kayak. It's an Ascend T20, 10T, 10 footer. Comment down below, custom build this. I was thinking about throwing a trolling motor in there. Or,
Before you do that, you want to help me answer mine?
I don't know. I'm thinking about putting a little bar here. Back in Hawaii, all the natives have like little bars. It stretches out to like right here probably. Just to keep it balanced. Because right now I can't really stand on it, so it's a little sketch. Just because I'm heavy. Comment down below, see what tell me what I should do to it. Kind of have somewhat of a plan for it, so I don't know what else to add besides the bar and possibly a trolling motor. So about halfway there. We just passed the freaking bridge, so that's kind of the halfway point.
No.
Really?
Made it.
Really
Spillway. Cheers. Yeah, sure.
Billy did it. What?
Had a bite.
You had one?
Probably a fucking bluegill.
I gotta stand still for a second. I'm gonna say my tolerance is really low. I'm a cheap date.
I'm a cheap date. Motherfucker. Something did it. Fucked my shit up. Alright, who's fucking with me? Something over there is fucking... Ooh, yeah. Ooh, this guy's big. Oh, he's putting up a fight. Holy fuck. Yeah, I'm recording. Fuck yeah. Dude, this one's putting up a fucking fight. Come on, dude. Motherfuck, I thought it was. Wait. Damn it, dude. That fucking sucks, guys. I thought I had something big. Note to self, never wear freaking flip-flops. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you my white ass feet. Freaking sucks. 10 out of 10. Don't recommend. We're floating back towards the car now. Kind of just floating downriver. Yeah, see if we can catch anything down here. There we go.
I'm gonna knock Ty off the fucking kayak. Watch this shit, boy.
I don't know, he has a pretty stable kayak. So we're kind of just chilling.
I'm stuck.
Fucking
Did
nice.
you get that video of me almost snagging your fucking hat off?
No, but I'm about to tell him. So Aaron about fucking hooked me in the fucking ear, which would have been nice because I do want to re-pierce this ear.
Fuck. All right, I can make it happen. Bro.
Fuck no, fuck that shit.
Fuck your shit, bro.
Fuck your shit, dude. So we're kind of just banked off right now.
I got a little water in my ass. I got river ass.
Swass.
Rass.
Rass.
River ass. You like how I backed that thing up?
Back it on up there.
Another thing too, I just bought these fucking swimming trunks and I fucking split them.
What?
I'm just saying I split my trunks right around the crotch.
God.
I guess my crotch wanted more air.
I just farted that. She said, and echoed.
It's not like a Nokia vibrating on a hardwood floor.
Come here, fucker. No, a largemouth.
Smallie.
Is it?
Yeah. 100%.
Nice.
There you go.
That'll do.
Easy,
it
bud.
every time.
Easy. Ah! It's always the smaller ones that are fucking trying to get freaking.
Oh, these are small.
Small ones that are the feisty.
There's hella water in here, bro.
Is there?
Whoa! Don't need to splash me, Jesus. Get me moist.
Yeah, whenever you. I got a hook in my knuckle. Knuckle. Big chillin', aren't you? It's like I'm married.
Oh shit!
Oh boy. Got him?
Yes, sir. Oh no!
Did you get wrapped up? Hold on. Let me come around.
Is he still tugging?
Yeah, he's still on there. I think. There you go.
Hello, pucker. Oh, no! Ah! No, it's a largemouth.
Where'd your bait go?
That's in my hand.
Oh, okay.
If he'll stop fucking moving.
Like,
Hey, buddy, I'm just trying to help you. Ow! Buddy, if you'd stop. Hey, don't hit me. And the river vlog here. I didn't get much luck. How about you?
I caught 6 total, 5 bluegill, 1 smallmouth, but it was fun being out there on the kayak. It was my first river trip on a kayak, but yeah, it's pretty nice. But we got a special guest. We got Bean Dip over here.
Bean Dip,
Jace.
meet the folks.
Nice to meet y'all. I'm Jace. Bean Dip. I'll be joining Aaron and Dylan every once in a while in some videos. I live about 6 hours away, and I try to come back as much as I can to be with the boys and make some good content.
Yep.
Grow Dylan's channel.
And we'll also be having some vlogs down in Missouri too, if
Oh,
we
yeah.
go down there, because we plan on going down there quite a bit. So we'll bring the vlogging stuff along and make some videos.
Excuse the dogs.
Yeah, excuse me.
Anyway, we're gonna start up a new vlog here. Gonna be letting the sun die down and hopefully the heat dies down as well. So we're gonna go try and hit the local lakes around here, see if we can catch anything.
The local.
Finally, got our poles back.
Oh fuck! We were out of the fishing grind for like a week. Ty
Yeah.
had our poles. We left them in his car because we thought we were gonna come out the next day, but we had some shit come up.
Thanks to Ty for setting our rods and reels up, putting a heavier line and shit like that. So.
Bye.
Drivers.